The festive season is the perfect time to jump into e-commerce. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to expand, stay tuned because I'm sharing several actionable tips to help you set up a profitable online e-commerce web store in time for the holidays. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to choose a niche that aligns with holiday demand. The holidays are all about gifting. Focus on products that are popular or gifts or seasonal items. For example, think personalized gifts, holiday decor or winter clothing. Selling something in demand makes marketing easier. Do some quick market research. Check trending products on Google Trends or sites like Etsy and Amazon. If you see a spike in a holiday themed items like Christmas sweaters or New Year's planners, that's a good sign. But don't stop there at the trends. Align them with your interests or your expertise. If you like to bake, for example, you might sell custom baking kits or recipe ebooks bundled with ingredients. A niche that you're passionate about makes the business more enjoyable and authentic. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to choose the right e-commerce platform. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce and BigCommerce are beginner friendly and offer holiday specific templates. Pick one that fits your budget and technical comfort level. Focus on ease of setup and scalability. Shopify, for example, has built-in payment options and holiday-ready themes that save you time. WooCommerce offers flexibility if you already have a WordPress website and want to integrate e-commerce. I recommend to look out for seasonal plugins and apps. Many platforms offer inventory management tools or countdown timers to create some urgency. For example, a limited holiday sale ends in 3 days banner can help to boost your conversions. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to craft a holiday specific product line. Stand out by offering unique holiday themed versions of your products. If you sell candles, create limited edition holiday scents like gingerbread spice or frosted pine. Seasonal exclusivity drives more urgency. You can bundle items to increase average order value. For instance, a gift box of your best sellers can become a go-to gift option. You can add personal touches like handwritten notes or festive wrapping to make it extra appealing. Don't forget upselling opportunities. You can offer related items at the checkout, such as gift wrap or personalized gift tags. You can highlight these bundles on your homepage and in your ads. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to optimize your website for mobile shopping. Mobile commerce is exploding, especially during the holidays. Over 50% of holiday shoppers use their phones to make purchases. Your website must be mobile friendly. Test your website's mobile layout. I recommend to check how fast it loads and whether the checkout process is seamless and easy. A slow loading page or complicated navigation could lose you some sales. You can use features like autofill forms, click to pay options and mobile friendly designs. If your platform supports it, you can integrate mobile payment options like Apple Pay or Google Wallet for a frictionless experience. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to master SEO to attract holiday shoppers. Most shoppers start with a search engine like Google. You can optimize your website to rank high in holiday related searches. Use keywords like best gifts for Christmas 2024 or affordable holiday decor. You can write blog posts or gift guides that link back to your products. A post titled "The Top 10 Holiday Gifts for Busy Mums" can drive some good organic traffic to your web store, and internal web links to your products for seamless navigation. Don't forget about image optimization. You can tag your product photos with relevant keywords and include alt text like festive holiday gift box. This also helps you to show up in image searches in Google. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to create eye-catching holiday ads. Advertising during the holiday season is very important. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads allow you to target specific demographics interested in holiday shopping. You can design holiday-themed creatives, use visuals that evoke a festive vibe, think red and gold colours, snowflakes, or gift boxes. You can highlight deals like 20% off holiday favourites or buy one gift, get one free. You can set up retargeting ads. Most shoppers won't buy on their first visit, but reminding them about your holiday sale or abandoned cart can bring them back. Tools like Facebook Pixel make this process very simple for you. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to offer fast and reliable shipping options. Holiday shoppers value fast shipping. You can partner with reliable carriers and offer expedited options, especially closer to the holidays. Display shipping deadlines prominently on your website. Be transparent about the shipping costs. Free shipping thresholds like free shipping on orders over $50 encourage larger purchases. You can include delivery tracking to reassure buyers about their orders. I recommend to consider local delivery or pickup options for last-minute shoppers. A get it before Christmas guarantee can be the deciding factor for many buyers. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to build trust with customer reviews and guarantees. Holiday shoppers are quite cautious. I recommend to display customer reviews prominently to establish more trust. If you're new, you can incentivize your first few buyers to leave reviews with discounts on future purchases. You can highlight holiday-specific guarantees, such as satisfaction guaranteed or easy holiday returns. Clearly state your return policy. It's a key factor for gift buyers. Social proof also works wonders. You can share user-generated content like customer photos of your products under their Christmas tree. Tagging them on Instagram can create a good snowball effect. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to use email marketing to maximize sales. Email campaigns are one of the highest ROI strategies for e-commerce. You can send out holiday-themed newsletters promoting your products, bundles, and discounts. You can segment your audience, send tailored emails to groups like past buyers, abandoned cart users, or even new subscribers. For example, a last-minute holiday deals email can push hesitant shoppers to actually purchase. You can add some urgency with countdowns or limited time offers. Subject lines like "only 48 hours left to save 30% can significantly boost open rates and sales. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to leverage social media for holiday hype. Social media is a powerful tool for building excitement around your holiday web store. You can use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your products in festive settings. You can run a holiday countdown or advent calendar campaign. For instance, you can reveal a new product or exclusive deal each day leading up to Christmas. This keeps your audience more engaged and checking back regularly. You can also collaborate with micro-influencers who align within your niche. For example, if you sell cozy home goods, you can partner with influencers known for home decor. Their followers trust their recommendations and are more likely to check out your own web store. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to provide outstanding customer support. Holiday shopping can be rather stressful, and exceptional customer service can set you apart. I recommend to offer live chat on your website so shoppers can get instant answers to their questions. You can create a detailed F&Q page for holiday-related concerns, like return policies for gifts or estimated delivery times. Make it very easy to find and user-friendly. I recommend to extend your support hours during peak holiday shopping days. Quick responses to queries can mean the difference between a sale and an abandoned cart. A polite, helpful tone can also encourage repeat business and more positive reviews. So there you have it, 11 tips to help you set up your e-commerce store and get ready to maximize your holiday sales. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every stage of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.